Hi there. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this insane volcano lamp. Right off the bat, the box is simple but powerful. Picture of the lamp on the front, specs on the side like what batteries it takes, and the power input. Straightforward like it's daring you to unleash it. Inside, you get the power cord, a packet of volcanic beads, the manual, and the lamp itself wrapped in bubble wrap, like it's containing something dangerous. The manual? This is super important. It gives you the exact steps to bring this eruption to life, and even tips if something goes wrong. The volcano lamp comes with its own USB to DC power cable. I wish it was a USB Type C cable, but it's a very long cable, so it makes up for it. Then in this baggie, we have here the red volcanic beads. The lamp itself is unreal. It has a crystal clear body with a jagged volcano right in the middle, looking like it's seconds away from blowing. The black top and base gives it that bold, grounded look. On base, at the back, you've got the power port, and on the front, you've got the switch that unleashes the eruption. In addition to being run on the power cable, it can also run on three AA batteries, which I will be installing and using in this demo. The batteries are not included, by the way. Setup is super simple. You pop the batteries in. Then on top, you fill with water, leaving about 1 cm gap, and add 2 drops of dish soap. I went with 1 pump and drop the beads in. Seal it up and it's ready. Now the moment of truth. Flip the switch and boom! The volcano erupts in glowing red-orange light. The beads start blasting upwards like lava, then falling back down in waves over and over. At that moment, I was like, run for your lives! This volcano lamp is straight up volcanic vibes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.